Oh, hello, hello. Welcome to day 5 of our energy challenge. And today we're going to talk about exercise. Now, exercise is an amazing thing to do because if you've ever read studies, case studies show that exercise is the number one way to increase your energy and also reduce moodiness and depression. Now, many people stay physically fit, but they don't always get their heart in health or really their mind in physical health, right? You really want to get exercise as part of your life as really a balanced part of your life. So you can start by changing your perspective on exercise. I know that I thought that I had to always train for marathons and triathlons and work out every single day to keep myself healthy and lean. Well, I've realized over many years, and now that I'm well over 40 years old, that I can stay motivated and really keep it simple and keep my body in health and my heart in health. So what I want you to do is I want you to set yourself a very simple goal for exercise. So can you exercise 3 days a week? Can you exercise outside? Can you exercise around your home? Can you exercise in a particular place that brings you joy, right? So what I love to do is hike or find different hiking trails to do. We can't do that every single day, most of us. So I want you to create a schedule and create a goal so that you can get yourself out. Being outside and exercising is a wonderful way to change your mindset and to change your overall physical health and well-being and your mental well-being. So I want you to set a regular scheduled time to work out. My regular times are Wednesday and Fridays, first thing in the morning, so 6 a.m. Now, I started this months ago, probably over 6 months ago now, and now after months and months, now I go Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 a.m. And during these times, I do a very simple cardio routine. Sometimes I go for a hike, and sometimes I will do a Pilates or a yoga class or just practice Pilates or yoga. So I want you to set a regular time and I want you to have fun with it. So can you find a friend that will go with you on your hike or your walk or to Pilates or yoga? The last step is actually teaming up with a friend. So teaming up with a friend will really help you feel more nourished, connected, and balanced. And one of the number one things that I do in my community is feel that connection with my tribe and with my friends. So I want you to use these steps. 1, I want you to change your perspective. 2, I want you to set a goal. So I want you to write it in your calendar. Just a few workouts in your calendar, could be morning or evening. Make it a regular time. Add fun. So I like to add running in the middle, or I don't know, you can stop and dance or have a good time. And then last but not least, team up with a friend. So do something you really love with friends, feel that connection, and you'll notice that your energy will start to increase over time. Thank you for joining me. My name is Monica Bravo. I am a holistic health and life coach. If you have any questions, email me monicabravocoach@gmail.com. Thank you.